Here's the app called Color Themes Wallpaper Widget. So let's just tap Get and then double click to install. And yeah, so this is one of the alternative apps to like Theme Pack, Widgetable, some other apps in this category. So if you want to install some themes, wallpapers, meaning icons and lock screen widgets on iOS 16 or even iOS 14, that's one of the apps you can give a try. So you can see it's quite high in the charts. It doesn't have that many ratings, but yeah, if you just open it up, you can see basically the idea. Stunning desktop themes with customization. So here you can just tap next, whereas icon styles, lock desktop widgets, and then you can just tap continue. You can allow notifications, can give access to your fitness activity just for for some types of widgets, and then you just have all these kinds of themes. Theme means basically there is wallpapers, icons, and widgets in one place, because of course you can just install all of these things separately, and there are apps separately for icons, separately for wallpapers, and all of that. But yeah, sometimes it's just easier to install everything in one package because it relates in design. But here, if you want to get it, you will need mostly, I think, just to pay. It's like $20 per year. So yeah, that's what you need to pay, or $5 per month. Then you can also add it. If you can just add some custom icons for this theme. You can add some custom widgets. However, I think there are some free ones. There are some like free theme, but as you can see, yeah, so if it's free, it will have a tag free here, and then you can just tap get theme, and then you can just go through the instructions, set the widget, like you will just save this widget, manually install a quick install icons. If you need to install this wire, some profile creation, and then there are wallpapers. You just download it and then just go through the settings and install it. Yeah, so it still will require a lot of manual kind of work. You still need to go to your settings app to change the wallpaper. Still need to go tap and toggle to install widgets. So for example, here you have this app color themes, and then I just wanted to install the widget, so still you'll need to do that, but with the theme it's just easier to do. So yeah, here is that. Hope this just quick overview is helpful, and thanks for watching.